I have a line that goes through the point negative 3, 4 and is perpendicular to the line 3x minus 2y equals 6. I still want to use the point slope form as my starting equation, but again, I'm given only a point on the line, but I'm not given the slope. However, there is something here that will help me figure out what that slope is. It says that the line I'm looking for is perpendicular to this line. Okay, let's review what that means. What are perpendicular lines? So over here I have two perpendicular lines, line 1 and line 2. And recall that for perpendicular lines, the slope of one is the opposite reciprocal of the slope of the other. So for instance, if this line has slope negative 3/2, the opposite reciprocal of negative 3/2 is positive 2/3. So the scenario we have for this problem that I have is, I have a line that goes through the point negative 3, 4, and I want that line to be perpendicular to this given line, 3x minus 2y equals 6. So what I need to do is I need to find the slope of this line. However, this line is given in standard form, so it's not given in the form y equals mx plus b. So what I need to do is I need to isolate y first, okay? So let's do that. So I need to move the 3x over to the right side, and I accomplish that by subtracting 3x from both sides. So I'll get negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. I want to isolate y, so I divide both sides by negative 2 to get y equals 3/2 x minus 3. Okay, so this is the given line written in slope-intercept form. So therefore, I need to grab this coefficient of x, that's the slope of the given line, and since the line I'm looking for is perpendicular to this line, I need to take the opposite reciprocal of 3/2, which is negative 2/3, and there you go, you have your green ingredient, you have your red ingredient. We are ready to write the point slope form of the equation of the line that we are looking for. So we'll have y minus, and let's just plot the ingredients here. We don't need to put x1, y1, or m. So y minus 4 is equal to m, which is negative 2/3, times x minus negative 3. Okay? So that's your point slope form, which we need to clean up. Again, I see a fraction, negative 2/3, so what I can do is I can multiply both sides by 3. Okay, so chop the 3 on the right side, apply the distributive property on each side, so you'll have 3y minus 12 equals, distribute this, you have negative 2x, minus 3 is plus 3, so negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. And let's just say we want to write this again in standard form, so all we have to do is move the negative 2x over to the left by adding 2x to both sides, so you'll have 2x plus 3y equals, now let's kick out negative 12 from the left by adding 12 to both sides, so adding 12 here will make the negative 12 disappear, adding 12 here will get 12 minus 6 is 6, and there you go. That's the standard equation of the line that I wanted to find, okay? And so that's how you do it for perpendicular lines.